lady scarf. This scarf is called To Say to Girls and it's 22 inches square. So all you have to do is take the scarf, fold it in half on the diagonal. Now we have this triangle shape. And what I'm going to do is take the triangle and roll it a little bit to get rid of some of that excess fabric. Now I'm just going to take the scarf, tie it around my neck. I'm going to rotate it like this so you can see how I'm going to do it.